In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert any video to audio online. And for that, we'll go over to our browser and you'll find this website called Conversion File Converter. I'm going to click on it. No sign-in is required, so I'm going to click here where it says choose file and select my video file. This is the video file I want to convert to audio. I'm going to come here to this drop down and I will go over to audio here, and you see this arrow, it brings up different types of audio file type I can convert into. You have all this file type you can convert your audio into. I'm going to click on MP3 and I'm going to hit on convert. It will upload your file and convert it to an MP3. It has finished uploading the file and converting it to MP3. I'm going to click on download to download this audio. Our audio is downloaded. You can see our audio here and you can play it. Like this video if you got value from it, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.